I really hope I could get this video done in one video. I'm going to try to go as fast as I possibly can. Alright, there was a card show today. I forgot to go to it. I went around. I was only going to go to like 2 or 3 places, and I did, but I hit the same place a couple times. I kept going back to see if they had stuff on it. Oh, I bought it. Because I've only seen like 18 stores. I only seen 3 of them. One in 3 different stores. Elaine with the sombrero. Alright. Yeah, I don't remember. Oh, I went to Tunkhannock today. And all their cards were gone, of course, so I got Pokemon. And I really don't care. I asked the lady for 2 red ones, and she decided to, oh, well, here, this is popular. Here, take this. And I really don't care. I'll take both. But, I mean, it would have been nice if she gave me what I wanted. This was $3 or $4 cheaper than the other one. But I don't care. I really don't care. It's just, I don't know why people do that. Like, you tell them what you want, and then they give you something else. Like, really? There it is. Oh, I went to Barnes & Noble. I think it was. Oh, yeah. Because I went yesterday, and I didn't do a video for it, and then I went today. I think I went to more places yesterday. But Barnes & Nobles. Oh, God. And I'll pull one of them out. I got 2 boxes of these. I could have got the black and gold ones too, but these ones are cheaper, so I don't know by how much. Oh, and Micaiah will be jealous. Micaiah's gonna get jealous over that one. Alright, those bucks are. Oh, these guys, wow. I got them for $33. Those things are like $45 in certain places. That's awesome. Alright. I went back the next day, and I don't even know what these are. They're both the same. I really don't know. Hatterene. It's called Champions of Path Collection. I'm not sure what the heck that even is. 2 more of these. I got so many of them, it's crazy. Oh, and they had blaster boxes of, and this light really sucks. It's called, Diamond Kings. Fucking scumbags. Unreal. Like, there's no wind blowing it. Like, why would they fall? I don't understand. There's no, I guess Sir Isaac Newton's wrong. An inanimate object won't move unless acted upon by another force. Yeah, right, not in my house. Things just seem to do whatever they want here. Wow, I got those Diamond Kings for $16.20. That's pretty good, I think. Alright, how much time? Alright, good, we still got over 10 minutes. Alright, I think this is the Target down in Stroudsburg. They had all these really cool. I wasn't even going to buy much stuff, but I had to. They pretty much had the best pop selection I've seen. I know there was one other place that had better. Might have been the Target up in Newburgh. I think it was. And the BAM bookstore. That's when one of the girls was talking to me, and I said, "You think this is good? Go to BAM." And like 3 or 4 shelves worth of these things. This is the first time I've been seeing these things forever. That completes my. Oh no, I still need that thing at the end. I don't even know what the heck it's called. Babu Frick, the 10-inch one. Ben Solo. I wasn't even gonna buy that, but clearance. $1. $1 for the Mahjong. That's for my buddy, the flipping accountant. More of that, and a deck of cards for $0.25. Walmart just loves to give stuff away. I don't know why. But yeah, that's the first time I've ever seen that one. I mean, I've been actually looking for that one because I didn't think they put it out. Like, it seems like certain ones the sets they'll put like 6 out of the 7 or 4 out of the 5 or 5 out of the 6. Went to our Target, couldn't find it. Bought all of them out at Newburgh. I think this is Series 4, yeah, I was right. Yeah, boom. 20 DCs. Every time I see them, I buy them. That's like the coolest thing. I didn't know there were series until, last year when I was first getting into this stuff, and I didn't know anything about anything. Man, I had an opportunity to buy these up at Target in Wilkes-Barre, and I didn't do it. I'm kicking myself for that. Well, we got over 7.5 minutes. Fruity cereal Kit Kat. They got mocha, they got coffee, they got key lime pie. This was up at Taylor. Funny thing about this is, she goes, "Oh, how many you want?" I didn't want to be a pig. So I said, "Give me 3." So she grabs 4, gives me these 3, and then puts this one back on the shelf. And I'm like, "Now you got to give me that one." She's like, "Why?" And I'm like, "Because that'll be the one that has the good card in it." She started laughing. So I got 4 instead of 3. You're only supposed to take 1, but it's funny when you're not a pig, they actually let you have extra ones. Since I'm not a pig, every time I go there, they give me extra stuff. And even other places. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I've never done this before. Yes. I was looking for Bumblebee. They didn't have Bumblebee. I've never bought, since it was Strasbourg, I figured I would grab some Pokemon stuff too. I've never bought like ones like that just because I mean there's so many times I should have. Snoopy, Woodstock, different. I mean, I know people love Seinfeld. I should have bought all those, but I hate Seinfeld. I can't stand him. I love George. I love Elaine. I love Kramer. I love Newman. I love the Soup Nazi. I love the parents. I love every single character on that show except for Jerry. I had to do it. I didn't want to do it, but I had to do it. Matter of fact, I didn't even think I put him in my cart. And I went looking for him again. I'm like, I gotta get him. I gotta get it. Sure enough, it was already in my cart. I put it in subconsciously. This one was cool. I don't even know what this Bahukman is, but everyone talks about this Dragonoid. So I got it. And this is the one. They had the entire, and I'm not even joking, they had the entire Star Wars set at not just with the Funko Pop, but they had their own special Star Wars Darth Maul. So I got Darth Maul, and it was funny. Then when I went back and I was talking to that girl, she says, I forget what she said, but I was saying about Books A Million having a ton of them. 2 more tins. I must have like 50 of those tins. We got Prism Basketball, hockey, Topps, hockey, select. But I said to this girl, I said, man, it's like someone made a really cool display over there featuring all Star Wars. That's a Pikachu, by the way. Pikachu. I wish I got those woolly bullies. Urshifu. But anyways, yeah, so I told her, I said, that was cool. Because she was cool. She knew what she was doing. She was styling. She's like the perfect employee. She knows what she's doing, and she'll go do it the right way. Not be freaking apathetic or stupid. But anyways, yeah, I said to her, hey, someone did a really nice Star Wars display over there inside the Barbie. There's like a big Barbie thing with all girl stuff, and then there was Star Wars. And I was like, maybe they're trying to get the Ray fans. Mandalorian, whatever they were doing, the goofy stuff that they do. But she says, yeah, I'll have to check it out. I said, yeah. I said, they have the whole set. I put them right in order. 409, 410, 411, 412, 413, boom, 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 boom. And then 409, there was 2 of them, so I put that there. And then she starts loading up that one guy. I don't remember what his name is. Some weird name. You know, I got 3 minutes. I was going to end early, but now I got to know. Gar Saxon or Baxon or Gar something AXON. Gar Baxon, Gar Saxon. She had like 6 of them. I was like, why? I'm like, the Rays people really like, and the Darth Maul's cool. And there's another one at the end. Oh, Ben Solo. I'm like, why would you have so many of that one? Okay, whatever. But anyways, that's it. Already showed you that stuff. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Peace.